I'm just ready to see how good it can get. God, I'm ready. I'm ready to see how good it can get.
Woohoo! And he keep a zoo rag, keep the wave on swim. But the waves on swim, so they hate doing him. Yeah.
Ooh, nah, it's right there. The sun is right there. Let me get right here where the sun at. No kids. Ready to get cute and be the baddie that I am.
Take off the gossip, take off the new logic, if I'm rich, I'm real. Take off the shit, no, take off the dope.
I done sat there and did all that. Rush me get ready.
Finally done with classes for today. By the grace.
A grandma in a young woman's body.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.
Yes, girl, I gotta get the YouTube content now. This my partner. I just got out of my first class. I'm hungry as fuck. My headache is massive. I didn't even pop back in yesterday when I was vlogging. I want to film me a sipping session. I have yet to film me that. So it's really what I've been wanting to do and why I haven't posted yet. Quality over quantity. That's always my thing. Always my go-to. In my introverted ways, I personally am a homebody and just very to myself. And growing up, I was that child that was always in my room and just to myself. And it's like now I'm just learning really how to be in the world, not of it, but be in the world. Yes, honey, the meal is secured. The meal is secured. That's what I need.
Top 5. I ain't trying to be top 5.
Girl, I don't care nothing about none of that.
I ain't
Just
trying to
get
make
me to the
this.
motherfucking top. Guide me to the light. Till I gotta rap, down, or scrap, or trap. Bitch, get me there.
At work, ready to go. Like, ready to go is an understatement. Lips chapped as fuck. Where am I? I'm just annoyed. No, I'm not even really annoyed. I just got off the phone with my sister and telling her the story. It just made me pissed off. I'm really about to get off. Finally got my alarm went off before I was rudely interrupted. Like, what the world? I got like an hour and 20 minutes left, so I'm about to get off. The sun is the other way, but I'm glowing this way. Like, what's up? I gotta finish taking my braids out too. I didn't got majority of my head out. I just gotta get this top little portion out right here. Yes, I'm gonna wash, style my hair, do my hair, and just get back into that girl. I haven't been feeling like that girl. I'm just ready to level up, okay? I'm ready. I'm just ready to see how good it can get. God, I'm ready. I'm ready to see how good it can get. But yeah, let me go back in, finish strong. I just woke up from a good nap. Ooh, it was a great nap. I washed my hair. Well, I took my hair out, my braids out, and I washed my hair. I got a hot oil treatment in right now. Before I had took a nap, I had it in for about 30 minutes, but I just kept it in longer. I didn't even care, but I need to rinse it out and just style my hair real quick because this weekend I will be doing another style. So I'm gonna just do a quick little cute style. Oh my God, my lips so chapped. I don't know, I'm hungry. I want to go eat something. I was going to cook tonight, but I really honestly don't even know if I feel like cooking. But we'll see. It's the next day. I just got out of my first class for the day. It's on Zoom because we having like elevator being built in our building. Yeah, they installing the elevator. So in these classes, I be having to go on Zoom for this week just because it's a lot of noise and stuff with the elevator. But I am having to go back on campus to untake this window display. So that's what I'm about to get ready to do. I'm about to go ahead and get dressed and go on campus. Also, I had been slept with this hot oil treatment overnight, so it's long overdue for me to take this out. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing as well.
Was my biggest fulfills. This rap shit was just my dream. Got that cake right, that pussy tastes right. That tastes right. You know I mean you first day. Get it twice, do it, you gon' keep me up all night. Whiskey friends and I'm tired of it. Tired of it. Anybody, yeah, you back to bad and you ain't fucking with just anybody. Mine's confetti on the color red. But this shit got a hold on me. I think I'm just trying to live my truth. Merciful. I've been going through some changes, I know. But baby, please don't.
I got another subscriber. I'm at 190. I got 2 subscribers. I'm at 190. I was at 188. Now I'm at 190. I just looked today. I ain't even know because they ain't notified me. But I looked at my thing today. I seen on my Gmail, they emailed me. It was like 2 new subscribers. I'm like, 2 new ones.
Don't want to see me.
International.
Oh shit, I still got my dang yo. Woohoo! And he keep a zoo rag, keep the wave on swim. Well, but waves on swim, so they hate doing him. Yeah. What up? That's cute.
That is everybody.
I just came all the way to class. And I ain't even go in the damn classroom. Then walked all the way over here from the student center and didn't even end up going in class because it was damn near like nobody in class. I don't know what was going on. It sounded too quiet. The door was open. I was like, yeah, let me just go. Probably wasn't the best option, but I have to do. The Vintage Vogue. I hope this is not the store that I'm passing, but it's called Stolen Thrift, where I'm about to go at now. I just got out the car, but let's see what it's talking about. Store I went to, Vintage Boutique, they changed the name. I thought it was Standout Vintage, but it's a different name. Yeah, I done came outside. I done came outside like this to come to the hair store. You talking about up under you, honey? He up under me actually because I told him to come. But I'm about to do my hair. I'm getting some things out of the hair store real quick. It's a few days later too since I was walking. But yeah. Some good goodies. Spent probably about $60 in total, but it's better than what I'll pay getting my hair done. Ain't that a fact? Y'all, I'm a little worried we don't got class because class started 5 minutes ago. And usually when it comes to parking, I be parking way in the back. I need to redo my ponytail. But I hope we got class. I'm gonna be so pissed if I just came all the way here and we ain't got class. Don't mind my headphones right now, but I'm about to go into the thrift store. I'm at Goodwill right now. It's up the street for my place. I probably will go to another one today, but I'm looking for an outfit for me to make for the fashion show tomorrow. I do have this look in mind that I want to bring to life, but I didn't pray about it if I don't find the stuff as of today, because I need to make the look today. I'm not gonna keep procrastinating until tomorrow. If I don't find that stuff, I'm gonna just have to, ooh, the sun just started coming out more. Yes. It's basically, long story short, I'm just not gonna overwhelm myself any longer about it and just get in my creative bag, do what I do best. I haven't been in that duffel how I need to be. Do that. And I need to close this vlog out tonight, so because I really want to get it posted, because I need to start a whole nother one, and I got 2 already going right now. It's just all over the place is an understatement. Yeah, so the sun, where the sun at now? Ooh, nah, it's right there. The sun is right there. Let me get right here where the sun at. No kids. I went in the thrift store and I didn't even find nothing for me what I was looking for, but I did find this for my boyfriend. I feel like this would be cute. My man's to wear, that'd be cute. It's a real cute little tie, you know. Yeah, it's on his business edge. That'd be cute. Right now I'm at the laundromat washing clothes, but yeah, I'm ready to get cute and be the baddie that I am. Hey, this Runway's album hit now, come on. This my song right here. Let's talk happy, right?
Cause I wanna go back home with the hot things. Leave rap alone if I could find things. She 24/7, I'm ripping and running that time I get lost in my feelings. Ain't doing the beginning. And tell me, have you ever seen love? Cause that's why I did it. You believe in love? Do you believe in karma? Are you superstitious?
What?
300.
It's 6:05. This the last little piece I got. The fashion show started at 6 o'clock. At this point, I don't even know if I should go, but I'm gonna try to go. I really wanted to curl my hair, but I might just wear it straight for the night just so I can get dressed and go ahead and go. Like, what the world? I didn't put on my outfit and stuff, and I really just don't even like it. And I really feel like it's because my hair is not layered and curled. Like, I done sat there and did all that rushing to get ready. Wow. This is crazy. Like, and I don't even, like, I'm just not feeling it. I'm not here for it. Just wanted my curls. I want some volume. Like, straight hair cute and all, but I just don't know. Like, I don't be caring for that straight look shit. Like, you know, they got the movement, the body or whatever. It's thick, it's full. Like, me personally, I like big hair. Straight hair on me, I don't know. I need a little volume, a little pizzazz. But other than that, child, that's just that. Return 1891 Bistro. That's my first time. Staying on campus for once. Not going home, even though I wish I was there. I need to close this vlog out today for real. I've been saying that I'm going to close it out for a long time now, and I still ain't close it out. Got 2 more classes, and then I'm done for the day. Thank God. Still got work to do. I got some little rice, child, and some beans, and my tacos, and possible meat. I don't know why the lighting looks so dark, but it'll have to do. Finally done with classes for today, by the grace. Okay, this is the end of the vlog. I was being close to close it out. I've been prolonging it. Today is the actual day of GHOE. So I am currently starting another vlog. I don't know. Overall, I did feel like the vlog was all over the place, and I don't know. I just really wasn't feeling it. I wasn't feeling it the way I need to be feeling it. Don't mind, y'all. I'm pre-gaming, getting lit. It's time to get lit. Even though I'm getting lit with a mimosa, I don't know, child. A grandma in a young woman's body. This is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoy. I'm on the road to 200 subscribers. Yes. It's a whole lot of peace, love, and dopeness.
Just copy the flex. They waiting on my new shit to drop. Where the fuck the toilet at? Sleeping on me crazy shit. Y'all thought I wasn't gon' double back. This life shit here amazing. I'm thanking God for where the fuck I'm at. Don't call if it ain't bout the rats. I don't fuck with all that chitter chat.